The last option we have in the Takeoff tab is the ability to set the name for catalog items as one of the following. There are three choices currently: catalog item, catalog, and original. Catalog item means that if we took an original Practicad fitting, cataloged it, and created a variety of this fitting inside a specific catalog. For example, if we had taken a squared around and created a high efficiency takeoff catalog with it, or an STOD catalog with it, we might have catalog items named 6 inch, 8 inch, 10 inch, 12 inch. However, they're all part of the STOD catalog, or they could all be called the original name, which is a squared around fitting. Depending on which one you want to download to Practicam, you must choose the correct choice. What we're going to do is we're going to cancel out of the export automatics. We're going to go over to the library and look at a catalog. Here on the left hand side you can see we've opened up the organization tree, gotten down to the squared around fitting, and here we have what we would call original, square to round. If we choose original, squared around is what's going to report when it downloads to Practicam. It'll show the squared around icon and it'll have for name squared around. If we choose catalog, it's going to report the name of the catalog. The fitting we're about to export is coming out of the STOD's catalog. This is the catalog name. If you choose the option for catalog item, it's going to list whatever the item is named here. If you picked an 8 inch, it's going to come out as 8 inch STOD. If you picked a 10 inch, it's going to come out 10 inch STOD. As opposed to you picking a catalog, if that's the case, it doesn't matter which one you use from this list, it's only going to report STODs. To demonstrate this, we're going to exit out and we're going to double click on this particular squared around here. What we're going to do is we're going to go all the way down to the identification parameters in the AutoCAD property box. And here you can see that the name of this individual fitting happens to be 12 inch STOD. That is the catalog item name. The catalog it's coming from is called STODs. That is the catalog name. And the original name would be what we call it in Practicad as a default, which is square to round. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to the auto takeoff button and we're going to download this fitting 3 times. We're going to say first, let's download it using the original name that we called it, which is squared around. If we press OK, you can see here that it's going to download with the name square to round. If we cancel out, we go back into our auto takeoff tab. We download the same thing, but this time under the takeoff tab, we're going to say use catalog name. When we press OK, you can see now it's reporting as STODs. It's basically reporting right here the identification parameter catalog, STODs. If we cancel out, go back into the auto takeoff button, and this time we choose catalog item. Here what's going to happen is it's going to report the name of the fitting inside the catalog. We're going to press OK. Here you can see it's called 12 inch STOD. And that's coming, of course, from identification parameters, name. So you can choose what name Practicad uses when it downloads from CAD to CAM. And that name will show up inside Practicam.